10年前ぐらいに学校の授業中に万年筆のキャップを転がして遊んでた人たちがね、大勢いたらしいんです。それを見た佐藤俊夫さんというクラフト作家がおもちゃに作り変えたんですね。そのおもちゃに僕は出会って、アレンジを加えて現在のモクルという姿になりました。自分で遊び方をどんどん無限に開発できるっていうところがいいところだと思ってます。やればやるだけ上手になる。これはまさにスポーツなんではないか。これはデスクトップスポーツだと、そういうふうに思い命名しました。まず初心者の方は左右に1回転がして押さえるということができたらいいと思います。次にですね、前後左右の動き、あるいは2回転転がして押さえる、あるいは早く転がす、そのようなことになります。ここから先はですね、技を繰り出せるようになると思うんですが、2本を使ったりですね、両手でやったり、あるいは自分で考えた持ち上げる技であったりとか、そういうことが楽しめると思います。2人でキャッチボールみたいに生き生きさせたりとか、転がし続けて先にダメになった方が負けというゲーム性を持たさせたりとか、そういうような楽しみ方ができます。モクルは自分で遊びを考える喜び、その技を練習してできた時の喜び、さらにそれを世界中のみんなとシェアする喜び、そんな楽しさがたくさん詰まっているいいおもちゃです。ぜひ皆さんモクルで楽しんでください。
You're still going clear. Or what do you suggest?
Fidgeting is the body's natural mechanism to help us stay focused, present, and in the moment. So the reason we created these fidgeting features embedded inside of the pen is that so people could fidget more discreetly. You know, there's a lot of other fidget toys out there, but the problem is they're too large and they're too distracting to others. That's why we believe that fidgeting is for anyone who wants to stay focused, relaxed, and have fun in the process. Also, research has shown that people with ADD, ADHD, and autism can greatly benefit from fidgeting. We believe that habits such as nail biting, leg shaking, and finger tapping can be channeled into the Fidget Pen to help people stay cool, calm, and collected.
Thank you for supporting us.
Share this campaign on social media and we'll give you 2 free ink refills.
Welcome to the Fidget family.
Fidget. Why Fidget? Fidget is the combination of a fidget toy, spheres. Spheres were used to create the outer mass to give the toy its total mass. One of the things that I fell in love with after I held it for the first time is the way the light plays across the spinning spheres. It just makes almost like an infinite amount of concentric and intersecting circles of light. It's almost magical. When I was designing this, I wanted it to be as curvy as possible. So when I set out to design something that not only did I want it to be functional, but I wanted it to be beautiful. This fidget's kind of hard to explain. You can see it on the screen, you can see it in the drawings. I saw it as I was designing it. And it didn't really become real to me until I actually held it. So when I first created this fidget, I didn't know what it was going to be like to hold it. And I can't describe the very first time when you're rushing to put something together and you finally spin it for the first time. It was really amazing. That gives me hope that this is going to be a pretty unique product for people like me that appreciate